Hello, good morning mga langga. So for today's video, we are going to unbox this prepaid home Wi-Fi. So this is powered by Smart. So PLDT Home and Smart LTE. So sa ngayon, ito yung pinaka-trending na ginagamit ng mga online classes and also for those who are working call centers agent. So we are going to test kung mabisag talaga ito or how fast this home prepaid Wi-Fi is. Kung ito mag-green to lahat, then this is for the LAN. So there is LAN here which you are going to connect to your laptop or to your PC. So this is the internet. So this is the Wi-Fi and then the internet. So this at saka mic. Ay andito na sa loob. So built-in na siya dito. At saka yung number is this one. So you are going to buy load. Ito yung gagamitin mong number. So you can buy load in you can reload in GCash or PayMaya, or you can also go to 7-Eleven. Got mag-green ito. So, ayan, lumabas na yung 3 green. So, it means malakas yung signal. So, 3 bars siya. And now, we're going to connect the LAN.